Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. And today I'm having a great pair of earphones for you guys, and these are truly wireless stereo sounding earphones. Yes, these are the i7s TWS. Yes, these are the AirPods clone which they launched first, and I have to say, considering the price point, they are pretty great. And today in this video I'll be giving one of this away to you guys. One of the lucky winner will be winning this, so stay tuned for the giveaway details. But before announcing the giveaway details, I will explain you each and every feature and specification of these earphones. So let's start the video. So on the box there are many features written. First of all, it has a microphone sensitivity of -42 dB. Yes, you can take an end calls with this one. Also, battery capacity is 950 mAh, so that is a pretty great thing, and that 950 mAh is of the charging case. Playback time is 5 to 6 hours and charging time is only 1 to 2 hours, so you have to keep a note of that. Charging only 1 to 2 hours, and you can listen to music for more than 5 hours, so that's a pretty great plus point. And standby time is of 100 hours. I don't know how much true is that. Now let's open the box, and inside the box you can see we have our case, and you can see it is a bit bigger case than the original AirPods, but the inside earbuds are quite similar. And below this you can see we get a micro USB cable. Yes, this accepts a micro USB cable, and also we get a paper which is a manual. So we'll keep these things to the side and have a look at the AirPods itself. So you can see bottom here you have a button to indicate the battery level. You have two light, and behind you can see on the back we have a micro USB cable port, so you have to charge through this one. And you can see we can open the case like this, and here you have AirPods. And considering the price point, you have to see that these do not come with magnetic connectors. They come with a pin connector, so you have to push the earbuds inside if you want to charge them. And you can see they are almost as small as the original AirPods, so that is the main plus point of these AirPods clone. And just a slight change, you have a button over here, so instead of the tap you have to click the button to switch them on. And also this works as a multifunction button, so you can take or end calls with this one, or play and pause music. So a great feature I also liked about these earphones is that you can use a single earbud at a time. So if I want to just listen to music with one ear, so I can do that. Also, talking about the sound quality is pretty great considering the price point at which they come. And if you want to buy this product, then also there will be a link down below. And if you want to win this product, then you need to participate in the giveaway. And I have made a dedicated video regarding all the steps you need to follow in order to participate in the giveaway. So I will leave a link down below in the description, and also an icon above here, so you can watch that video and participate in the giveaway. This is the 6th product which I am giving away. More one product to go, and I have already announced 5 products giveaway on this channel, and they are up and live and still running. The giveaway is still running, so you can participate in the giveaway by clicking the link down below in the description. All the products giveaway link is down below, so don't forget to watch those videos too, and participate in the giveaway to win these AirPods. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more such products on my channel, and bye bye, take care, and peace out.